Now that the job's been completed, your plumber or contractor's been to site, they've taken the photos, uploaded all the photos as evidence to the Alitsy platform. We need a few more things from the administration in order to finalise the claim. So we'll come back into the Alitsy platform. I'll just come back to the front page here. So you're going into the installation section again and hitting search. Your job number is 3603, hitting enter and coming into the files section. Now assume here that all these photos have been uploaded by your contractor or your plumber. These are requesting photos of the job. Now when you get to the bottom here, we do need a certificate of compliance from your plumber stating that there's been a new heat pump installation at that job. Now it requests here on Alitsy a CCEW of electrical work and a certificate of compliance from your plumber. If we get the certificate of compliance from the plumber, that's enough. We don't need both. So if you can just make sure that you have that, you have the date on the certificate of compliance matching the date of installation. We need a copy of the tax invoice to your customer uploaded, and the tax invoice must show the date the job was done, or it must be dated on the day that the job was done. It must show the model number of what you're installing, and it must also show a benefit to your customer. So if you're doing a heat pump installation, the job's going to cost $2,000. You might write on there rebate for energy saving or rebate for STC saving, $500. Put that on your tax invoice, show the amount so that your customer's aware that that's the benefit they're getting from the job. They don't see the benefit that you're getting, but you need to show the benefit that they're getting. Now we also need, as payment evidence, an additional form of evidence. It can be a journal entry if you're using MYOB or Xero or one of the common accounting platforms. You can access a journal entry that'll show that there's a nil balance or payment's been made. If you're not using that or you have trouble with that, we can use a screenshot of your bank statement just showing the payment from the customer. You can black out anything else, just show that one line that shows that payment's been made and upload that as your payment evidence. So we get your tax invoice, your payment evidence, your certificate of compliance. That's the last three things we need to add to the job. If you receive a cash payment from your customer, that's fine, but we do need, don't just take a photo of the cash and send it through to us. We need something that identifies what that cash payment's for. So if you handwrite something on a piece of paper, you'll have the customer's name, the date the payment was received, and what it's for. You have a reference to your tax invoice number or something that just clearly shows that that payment is for that invoice, then that's suitable, and upload that as payment evidence. Now once you've uploaded those three things, you've got your tax invoice, you've got your payment evidence, and you've got your certificate of compliance from your plumber or contractor, that completes all the paperwork that we need. So you come back into the the sign tab on here, and just double check those signatures. So your customer signature will be up the top, your plumber or installer signature will be down below, and there's a button right down the bottom that says I am done. Now once you've uploaded your three additional pieces of evidence, your tax invoice, your evidence of payment and your certificate of compliance, you come in here and you click that I am done button, and then that submits your job through to our QA team for assessment. Once your job's been submitted to our QA team, a couple of things can occur. You'll either receive notification of an RFI. There might be something that you've forgotten, might need an invoice to be changed or some more detail. If that's the case, you'll receive an email from our QA team. You'll also see on Alitsy, there's a section under the Notes tab where it includes tasks, and it'll have the details in there of the RFI. But let's say your job's been passed. They'll notify me that the job's been passed, everything's acceptable. I will then email you with details on how to invoice us. I'll give you the details of the job, a unique job number, the amount, and you send that through to us and payments made every Friday.